Yo, what's up, guys? It is Bobby Carlson with Your New Texas Home Group, and I am here with another banger. As y'all can see already behind me, this house is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to show it to you. We are here today at 4420 Azalea Way in Midlothian, Texas. And guys, this house is, I'm lost for words. It is 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, a little bit over 3,500 square feet, and it is pure luxury. So let's not waste any more time and let's go see this house right now.
Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better.
Alrighty, guys, like I said, we are here at 4420 Azalea Way in Azalea Hollow, gated community, very nice gated community in Midlothian, Texas. We are starting right here at this big steel front door, and we're gonna come and walk right in. And first of all, I really love this kind of pocket window, sitting window kind of deal that we got going on right here with the natural wood all the way around it. And guys, when you walk in, this home really just has so much to say, so much space. It's very wide open. This is a fully open floor plan, as you guys can see, and I love all the accents. One thing that I really am gonna show you guys off a lot is the wood accents all throughout the house. And if you come over here to the left, you have the double doors, glass doors that come right here into your office. Pretty big office. All the ceilings in this home are extra elevated. Come right over here, got a little storage closet. And one thing to note, every closet that you guys are gonna see in this home has cabinet cabinets or custom shelves. I believe most of the closets in this home were designed by Closetology, and I can't wait to show you guys the primary. So, before we get to the main course, let's actually start here with the living room, and then we'll come over to this left wing of the house here in a bit. But as you guys can see, one of the things is the beveled corners. Really love that. It's very Mediterranean. It gives a really nice vibe. Adds a little bit of character to the home. Of course, as you see, had a gas fireplace over there, every dining area, a nice statement piece chandelier. You also have the huge, but guys, the cool thing about these sliding doors, these sliding glass doors that lead out to the backyard, is they're super light. To be honest, these things are huge and they're heavy. They're steel, but when you open them, it opens so smoothly. And usually when you go to the houses, like I always gotta put a little bit of muscle and elbow grease into it, but these are opening up super smoothly. One other thing I wanted to show is these windows, nice and symmetrical. I love when you walk by, just get a ton of natural light out of them and you kind of see right outside. Guys, Texas is beautiful today. And so is my allergies, but you see here, you got a full chef-style kitchen. Marble countertops, marble backsplash. Got a 6-burner gas stove. High-end GE appliances. Double oven in the wall with your microwave down there. One cool thing about this kitchen island is you have this hidden charging port bank thing. Looks like a Men in Black movie, but that's pretty cool. And you just put a little bit of pressure, maybe not that much, and it goes right back down. That's pretty cool. So I'll take you guys over here. Have a nice little breakfast bar, coffee bar. They're using it for wine right now, but of course you can do whatever you want with it. And you have a half bath right here. This is like your pool bathroom, running off the backyard. And then we're gonna go right here into this flex area. Now it looks like they've kind of got this set up as a theater room. So you got your 3 symmetrical windows right there. And then right over here, you got your media closet. And you guys can kind of take a look at those custom shelves once again. Plenty of storage space in this closet. With a double door entry. And we come back off to these first secondary bedroom. It's a great size with a Jack and Jill bathroom. And of course you got another walk-in closet with some built-in shelves. I love the custom cabinetry. All the designs that they made in here. Floor to ceiling tiles, shower, tub combo. Once again, you guys can see the style. And then it walks into your secondary bedroom. Great size. I love the white oak wood floors. These are pretty standard in this neighborhood. Most of the homes that we've been in have these same floors, but they're really nice. They feel good. They smell good. They probably clean easy. Another walk-in closet. And then you got a mud room right here. And then this is right off the 3-car garage. And as you guys can see, fully custom. What is this? There's like interlocking floor tiles or garage tiles. And then right over here, right off the kitchen, off that second side entrance, this is your pantry area. So as you can see, you got fully custom cabinets all the way through. Got some shelving, got some nice lighting. But guys, this is plenty of storage space for you guys to do anything. And then of course, I mean, even these open top to bottom. And they're just a ton of space in these. So this is it's a nice little, and you can also use this little section right here as like a little prep area. I love this color. But I'm colorblind, so I'm not even gonna try to guess what color it is. And then here you have a shared bathroom. This bathroom shares with the 3rd secondary. You got another floor to ceiling tiled, full shower, standing shower. And then this connects to, like I said, right over here to this 3rd secondary bedroom. Ton of space, ton of natural light in here. And you have another semi-ish walk-in closet, not really, kinda, I don't know how you want to call it, but more custom shelves and built-ins in there. And guys, now we're gonna make our way to the primary wing of the home. Also got your utility room, and just a regular coat closet right here. But I love how you kind of have a private cove hallway entrance to the primary suite. And then of course, yes, you have the utility room off to the left. That also connects with the main closet, but we'll make our way around and we'll come back to the primary ensuite as well. But as you guys can see, this is a pretty nice size primary bedroom. Once again, the wood beams lining up the ceiling, adding some more symmetry, ton of natural light. And then you also have another entrance to your backyard. Me personally, I don't know how I feel about that, but hey, to each their own. And we're gonna come right over here to your ensuite. And guys, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful shot? Got a nice garden tub right over there, his and hers sinks with built-in cabinetry. This is pretty equal. So I guess a true his and hers instead of hers and hers. Got a full floor to ceiling. Now guys, one thing about this is not just floor to ceiling. This is also wall to wall tile, which is really good to see in a bathroom, especially having this kind of wet area kind of deal going on with your garden tub. You also have your king's throne over there, king and queen's throne. And then here's one of the best parts of this home, and that is this custom primary closet by Closetology. As you guys can see, woodwork, custom lighting built in. This closet is immaculate. I feel like I'm in a high-end menswear department store. And this is just really nice. And of course, right off your custom cabinetry utility room. So when you're ready to wash your clothes, you can just come through the door and drop them right in here. All right, guys. Now let's go check out that backyard and take a look at that 0.88 of an acre lot. I'm gonna cut through here and watch how I open these doors, guys. This is gonna be super nice. All right, so watch this. Watch how smooth this is. So smooth, and I'm barely putting any effort into it. Huge, huge back patio. And as you guys see, it's already plumbed and piped for a full outdoor kitchen if you want to build one over there. You got your gas hookups right over there. You also have plenty of outlets out here if you wanted to mount a TV or anything. And then you also have another wood burning fireplace right there. And yeah, guys, like I said, this is almost an acre, right under an acre. It's about 0.88. And this is plenty. This is absolutely amazing. So yeah, breeze feels nice.
Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh, oh, your ways better. Oh Lord, your ways better. Jesus, your ways better. Lord, I am so.
Alrighty, guys, thank you once again for joining me on this tour of 4420 Azalea Way in Midlothian, Texas. Once again, this home is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a little bit over 3,500 square feet. And guys, 3,500 square feet of luxury. I really enjoyed touring this home with you guys. Also, big shout out to the Ali Vollmer group. Thank you for letting us go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful place. And if you guys are interested in a home just like this, go ahead and text us YT at 214-444-3339. The number will be on the screen. We'd love to help you make the move to Texas. And always remember, stay blessed. May the Lord shine his face upon you and forever, forever be more gracious to you. And yeah, we thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.
Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world till my head.